Zanjan Zinc Khales Sazan Industries Company. This metal has various applications in several industries, including galvanizing, brass alloys, rubber and ceramic, agriculture, pharmaceuticals, and medicine. Nearly 0.013% of the Earth's crust consists of zinc and is mainly in formation of sulfide, carbonate, and oxide, and is extracted with other elements such as lead, cadmium, iron, and copper in nature. Zinc mineral substance is extracted from open pit or underground mines. It should be noted that about 3% of the world's well-known lead and zinc mines are based in Iran. Angron mine, as the largest and richest mine in Iran, is located in Zanjan province. The existence of this rich and high-grade mine in Zanjan province, and also exploiting the province's advantages and infrastructure's potentials, such as being located on the transit routes of Asia and Europe, and also having national railways, airport, scientific and technological centers, and locating in the proximity to 7 central and northwest provinces, has led Zanjan province to become the largest pole in zinc industry in the Middle East, with the establishment of 75% of the country's manufacturing industries in the province. Given that the zinc production chain should include 3 sections of exploration and extraction of zinc minerals, processing and condensation of minerals, and finally the production of hydrometallogenic zinc metal. Hence, after the construction of the main plant and developing and increasing its capacity, the focus was on completing the production chain. In this regard, to complete and cover the supply chain of minerals, Arita Mineral, Mihan Zinc Ingot and Chomalu Mine as subsidiaries, and carriers, namely International Transportation of Talaya Daran Qadir Zangan with 33.3% share, and Behin Faravar Processing Company with 27.7% of shares, have been purchased and put into operation as dependent companies. Also, 90 billion riyals have been invested in estates so that Khales Sazan Company is operating as a large holding. Zanjan Zinc Khales Sazan Industries Company has established in a land with more than 82,000 square meters area and more than 17,000 infrastructures as a private equity company in 1384. This company has started operation in 1385 with annual production capacity of 35,000 metric tons, and in this moment is operating with 410 personnel. Production process. The company produces zinc ingots with a purity of 99.99% through the processes of hydrometallurgy and uses zinc minerals in grinding processes, solubility, purification, electrolysis, and melting and casting. Crushing unit. The crushing unit is constructed on an area of 12,000 square meters and has a crushing capacity of 1,000 tons per day. After discharging, the mineral is converted into powder in a grinding unit, and for the purpose of slurry and leaching operations in the stock, it transfers to an area of 1,320 square meters and a capacity of 12,000 tons of soil capacity. Solubilization and purification. This unit, with an area of 3,500 square meters leaching hall, is equipped with a collection of tanks, pumps, filters and mixers with a total capacity of 1,600 cubic meters of soluble in a solution unit, crushed minerals after dissolving and passing the leaching process, and filtration from process intrusive impurities is stored in the form of a solution of zinc sulfate in tanks with a capacity of 900 cubic meters. Electrolysis. An electrolysis hall with an area of 2,600 square meters consists of 2 independent lines, each with 124 cells and a rectifier transformer. With a production capacity of 100 tons per day of cathode sheet containing cell electrolytes with a capacity of over 1,000 cubic meters and 8 cooling tower machines. Sheet milling and billet casting unit. The sheets produced in this unit are converted by 2 rotary casting furnace and 2 molding conveyor machines to 25 kilogram ingots. Cake washing. For better recycling and optimum utilization of the plant soils, the filter cakes from the solubilization unit are redistilled into a unit known as the liquor cake and rinse. This unit is located in a hollow with a surface area of over 1,000 square meters. Power plant. The power plant unit was built on a land area of over 2,000 square meters and a 21.8 megawatts capacity in 1391, and is equipped with a generator of Finnish Wärtsilä and a Spanish gas core, which supplies electricity of factory in addition of supplying electricity for the regional power network. Research and Development Center, R&D. This unit has been built with an area of 220 square meters as a pilot in order to leading to new information and technical knowledge, scrutinizing various processes, analysis of the behavior of various minerals, research on the raw materials and substitutes used in the zinc industry, leading the company to the knowledge-based processes and systems, creating research fields in the production and marketing of peripheral products or common product with the main production. Laboratory and QC. This unit controls the analysis of all input materials, controls over all system processes, as well as providing product analysis to the market. Transportation. For the purpose of stabilizing and continuing production process and facilitating the transportation of raw and consumed materials, the company purchased 31 dump trucks. Meehan Zinc Ingot Production Company. This company is located in an area of 18,075 square meters, an infrastructure of about 5,089 square meters in zinc industrial estate, which has been exploited with 5,650 tons of producing zinc ingot, and currently 95 personnel are working in this unit. This unit also includes leaching, electrowinning, casting and cake washing unit as production units and laboratory, quality control and staffing departments, as well as Zanjan Zinc Khales Sazan Industries Company. This unit has succeeded in obtaining a license to use the mandatory standard mark of the Standards and Industrial Research of Iran. Mehrgostar Chomalu Industrial and Mining Company. Zanjan Zinc Khales Sazan Industries Company started extracting and mining operations in an area of 12 square meters in 67 kilometers of Zanjan, Ardabil Highway, near the Chomalu village after receiving the Mining Exploration Certificate. In 2014, after taking the operation certificate of extracting 10,000 tons of mineral per year, and also after equipping and exploration operations, more capacities of Chomalu mine were identified at a depth of 40 meters. Therefore, the mine capacity reached to about twice as large as the previous one. Currently, the company, by employing 11 personnel and equipping a powerhouse, a compressor, barns and labor facilities, the creation of a winch rail wagon and direct recruitment of 40 contractor personnel as workers, is ready to extract more from a depth of 14 meters. By this time, 7,000 tons of minerals have been extracted. Arya Mineral Processing Company. In 2012, Zanjan Zinc Khales Sazan Industries Company, in order to develop and complete the production, decided to purchase Arya Mineral Processing Company. This production unit was established in 2004 on an area of approximately 5,000 square meters with infrastructure of about 13,000 square meters, which is located in Zinc Industrial Estate. Currently, it is operating with a production capacity of 300,000 tons of lead and zinc concentrate and 148 personnel. The main operations of this company is concentrating lead and zinc elements from oxide and sulfur minerals, and has crushing, milling, flotation, filtration, laboratory and quality control, the research and development, and heavy media units. Success and honors of Zanjan Zinc Khales Sazan Industries Company. Winning the title of 4th rank in Iran 4th National Productivity Festival in 2013. Winning the title of Model Installation and setting up power plant generators in a small size scales. Winning the title of Golden Rank Commercial Card from Iran Chamber of Commerce, Industries and Mines in recent years. Winning the title of Model Entrepreneur in Zanjan province in several years. Winning the title of Model Mineral Industrial Unit in Zanjan province from 2009 until now. Winning the title of Model Exporter in Zanjan province from 2010 until now. Certifying the quality of the goods by CE Europe. Winning the title of Model of QC Management in Zanjan province from 2010 until now. Certifying with OSAS 18001, ISO 14001, ISO 9001, and ISO 50001. Winning the title of membership in National and Transnational Association IZA, India's Lead and Zinc Development Association, the Association of Industry and Mining of Lead and Zinc, the Association of Homogeneous Industries of Zinc, Mobin Consortium in operation of Mehdiabad Mine in Yazd Province, Rahbaran Consortium of Lead and Zinc Industry in Angoran, Cooperative of Industry and Mining of Lead and Zinc, Accredited Laboratory in Iran, Association of Research and Development Centers R&D, Union of Lead and Zinc Products Exporters in Iran, Joint Chamber of Commerce for Iran and Pakistan, Turkish Galvanizing Association, Chairman of the Board of Iran Energy Generation Association. Choosing Dr. Moradlu as Iranian Industry and Trade Persistent Face in 2017. Innovations of Zanjan Zinc Khales Sazan Industries Company. Using fiber cover in order to reduce acidic fog in electrowinning unit. Replacing strontium carbonate with celestine in reducing lead process. Leaching process of sulfide zinc in atmospheric pressure in presence of triple iron. Meanwhile, we would like to appreciate all authorities of organizations, ministries and governmental offices, as well as all in private sector who helped Khales Sazan in achieving its preset goals and hoping their success in whole of their lives.